Hello everyone, I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the Xtrem HDPE skid plates from AXP Racing. Alright, so if you're watching this video, chances are you're in the market to add some protection to your bike using a skid plate. Now, although we have a lot of great options when it comes to skid plates to choose from at Rocky Mountain, there are some features about these from AXP Racing that I really like that I think make them unique and separate them from the rest. So first up, let's just talk about construction. Obviously with the skid plate, you're making an investment here, so it's gotta be durable, it's gotta hold up to the abuse that you're gonna put it through, and that's what AXP Racing has done. So the way they construct these, they're made from HDPE, that stands for high density polyethylene. It's a super hard, very durable plastic. And what I like is that CNC cut, so really good fitment, and this stuff is 8 millimeters thick. So when it comes to durability, I don't think you need to have any worries with these skid plates. Also, a great benefit to that HDPE being that hard plastic is the friction coefficient. So if you are going over, say, a rock or a log, it's not gonna catch or snag on those objects. Being plastic is just gonna slide over a little bit easier. And also looking at the length of these, what I love, and you don't see this with many skid plates, is you actually are going to have protection for your linkage built into these as well. So a lot of great benefits using the HDPE, and again, I love the length. You're gonna have full coverage for the bottom, and then you can see with these on the table, they give a lot of coverage that wraps up and around the side of the bike as well. You are gonna have several cutouts on these, so when it comes to changing your oil on the bike, you're not gonna have to remove the skid plate. You can see they have the cutouts for those. When it comes to installation, not gonna be very difficult. No drilling, no modification is required. All your hardware, all your brackets will come included, including instructions. So just make sure to follow the instructions. Not gonna be very difficult and you will be good to go. Now, last thing I will point out, a great benefit to these as well is that AXP Racing says that these are not going to add or generate any vibration once they're installed. And there they are. Those are the high density polyethylene skid plates coming from AXP Racing. If you guys have any questions about these, leave your questions or comments below. We will get those answered. To pick yours up, it is real simple. You can just click on the link at the end of this video or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. But remember, these are bike specific, so when you're picking yours up, enter the make, the model, and the year. That will ensure that you get proper fitting. Orders over $75 ship free. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like this product spotlight. Give it a thumbs up. That way you stay up to date on all the latest product spotlights and the ones we've already filmed that are constantly coming here from Rocky Mountain. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.